Hello everyone, welcome to Imbibe. I am Ankana. We are here because AI-powered Imbibe platform has partnered with the Army Welfare Education Society to help students achieve the student learning outcomes by not only supporting them with the course but also improving the conceptual mastery. So in this video, we are going to understand how can we finish our registration with the Imbibe platform with the help of the microsite as a student. Let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your system and then go to the address bar over here. Then you have to type the link gov.imbibe.com/APS, which will then land you up on this page. After this, we have to ensure that we have selected the correct profile of student over here. Once that is done, let's begin our process of registration. So we will click on student registration in order to get started. Now the next requirement is for me to insert the UDICE code of my school. If you're already aware about your UDICE code, you simply go ahead and enter the code. Just in case you're not sure about it, you can even find your UDICE code by clicking on this. So we just have to click on find your UDICE code, which will lead us to this page. Here we can either download this document, which will give us the list of entire set of schools listed under our department. Based on the details of your schools, you can search, you can find your UDICE code from that list as well, or you can use your PIN code in order to find your school UDICE code. Once that's done, just in case if you need more understanding and assistance with this, you can always watch the video how to find your UDICE code, which we have already enlisted over here. So let's go back. Because I am aware of my UDICE code, I am going to enter it over here. Once you enter your UDICE code, the details of your school will start reflecting over here. Just click on it and you will be able to see everything in detail. Verify the details if everything is correct. Just in case if you feel that there is something wrong and you probably have not entered the right code, you can always choose not your school and change the UDICE code, which will take you back to the previous page. If you feel that the details are absolutely correct, it's time to move forward. Because these details are correct for me, I'm going to click on this is my school and move forward. Click on the next button now. Now over here, I am required to fill up all my personal details in order to get started with Imbibe. Right from the first name to last name, my gender, the mobile number, date of birth, category, my guardian's name, their contact details, and also create a password which will be later on utilized in order to log in to the platform of Imbibe. Please also ensure that the mobile number you are entering over here is active and present with you, because the OTP in order to verify your account will be received on that very mobile number. So let's fill in the details and then come back. As you can see, I have filled in all the required details over here. If your parent's mobile number is different from your personal mobile number, then fill it up over here. Just in case both of your contacts are same, then you just have to check this box. So now I filled in all the details. I have created my password as well and confirmed it, which I will be using in the future to log in on the platform. Now I am going to click on next in order to submit this information. Now I will be receiving an OTP on the mobile number I have just inserted in the details. I just have to enter the OTP and then verify it. Just in case if you do not receive it, you can always resend it from here. So let's enter the OTP. Now that I have entered my OTP over here, I will click on verify OTP. Now I am supposed to give my personal device as well as internet details. So let's fill it up. If you have any of the following or multiple devices at home, please make the selection accordingly. Let's say I just have a smartphone and nothing else that belongs to me. So I'll just select smartphone. If you do not have any device at home, then select this. When you select I don't have any device at home, the option of internet access selection will disappear like this. But if you do have a device, do the correct selection and then we will move ahead and enter the details about the kind of internet access we have and if we have an access to internet at all or not. So if you have internet, then say yes. If not, then no. Let's say I have internet access. Are any of these devices your own? So if this belongs to you, then you can select yes. If these are something that you share with your parents and family, then you will say no. Let's say that I share it with my family, then I'm going to select no. Next, we have to just verify the class details. So our board has been listed over here and then we have to enter our class details. So just go ahead and click on the drop down. You will have all the options available over here. Choose your class as per your grade, then the section that you are a part of. After this, we are required to select the medium of our instructions. Just click on the drop down, make the selection and then proceed. Are you sure you want to proceed? So just in case if you have a doubt that any of the details you have entered before might not be correct, then you can go back and make the changes. If you are sure about all the details inserted, then you can click here and proceed. Congratulations! You are now done with the process of registration. So let's click on proceed and see what do we have in the store. So this is how the platform looks like. Now you can start your journey of learning with Imbibe using the various modules of Learn, Practice, Test and Achieve. We will learn more about these modules respectively in details in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and keep imbibing.